Hello and welcome to today. Where is today? I'm not sure, but it's wherever you are. So, today I've got this peacock model, which is a wonderful, awesome looking peacock from just about this point back. I'm gonna be honest, I had a really hard time with the head and body on this one. Peacocks are really weird creatures, if you look at them. Okay, so this peacock has two main parts. First off, we've got its tail. This thing basically has two 1x3 plates at the bottom, and then from there we've got leaves that spread out, covered in all sorts of jewels and studs. So we've got two dark gray in the back and not dark gray, dark green in the back and two light green in the front. Not light green, but a medium green that is lighter than the dark green. This gives it the effect of shading, where it's got that dark in the back, but it's still mostly a lighter green, which I think looks really nice on the feathers. Then we've got this awkward little body thing. So let's start with its head. Its head is three pieces. We've got a blue horn piece here, and a blue clip piece, if I can get these apart. Then basically what we do to build it is we've got this beak, just goes in sideways on the clip, which is not a sturdy position at all, but it's not really holding any weight, so it doesn't really matter. We put that piece on, and then we've got a peacock head, which really looks like another kind of bird, which I almost want to make this into a different bird video. But right now we're using it for a peacock head. That way it's got its weird little tiny beak and its tiny little head. Peacock heads are small, I wonder how big their brains are. Then, for the body, we've got these two wing pieces attached on each side, just tilted so they look like wings. On the bottom we've got a bucket handle to imitate its two little skinny weird feet. And we've got a jumper plate on the side and the top. The top one connects to this 1x2 plate, which is what holds the head on. I'll just go ahead and put that back on. And then we've got this piece at the back. It's a brick and two tiles, which is what we use to hold on our greenery. And that, altogether, is the peacock model. Wow, this is going to be a short video. Hello everybody, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, what's going to be a very short video. And I hope you'll try to make a peacock of your own. Hopefully you can make one that's better than mine. Peacocks are supposed to have this weird S-shaped neck, kind of like a swan, and I really wasn't able to do that with my pieces. Anyway, it would be good to have a lot of peacocks in this world, unlike my dinosaur videos in which we might only want one dinosaur, because that's about as much as we can shoot at a time, in case it tries to take over the world. I'm not really that worried about peacocks trying to take over the world though. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like, you can take a look at some of my other videos. Hopefully those ones will be longer and more. Hello everybody, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you enjoyed the peacock, and I hope you'll try to make a peacock of your own. Challenge for everybody, I'd like you to try to make one that's got the S-shaped neck that peacocks actually have, unlike this weird kind of neck that mine has, which is basically just square. Peacocks generally have necks like swans, and I really wasn't able to do that with the space I had trying to build this one's head. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll try to make your own peacock, because unlike the dinosaurs, it's really easy to take care of an army of peacocks. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye.